India is in its manufacturing era. The sector is transforming rapidly and shaping the future of our nation, moving from automobile to aerospace, electronics to textiles, and more, with a focus on productivity, efficiency, and optimizing margins. Leading the charge is Shibaura Machine India Private Limited, one of the largest hydraulic injection molding machine and auxiliary equipment suppliers in the manufacturing industry today. They are not just building machines, they are building the future of India.
Today, we have Mr. M. Kumar, Managing Director, Shibaura Machine India, Executive Officer, Shibaura Machine Japan, with us today to share his expertise and the journey of Shibaura Machine so far in the manufacturing sector. So, Mr. Kumar, let's dive into the story of your journey so far. How did Shibaura Machines begin its journey in India?
It was in 1991. The business of plastics machinery was brought to India by Larsen & Toubro with technical tie-up with the demand of Germany. So I proudly can say that I joined this business in 1991 and grown along with this business. And that time it was the technology of fixed pump and hydraulic injection molding machines, and then later on migrated into variable pump, then servo pump, and etc. etc. So in 2000 or so, then the technical type got matured into joint venture, and later on L&T became on its own, and then hived off these businesses to Toshiba Machine Japan. And the name of Toshiba Machine got changed to Shibaura Machine 3 years back. And that's how the journey of business in India.
Shibaura Machine has become one of the leading players in India's hydraulic injection molding sector. What are the key success factors for this growth?
You see, it is bringing the technology affordable to the processors in India. When I say affordable in terms of economy, affordable in terms of operating and the maintenance. That So make that technology affordable in India, so that way we made suitable modifications and offered and a bit kind of customized to the requirement of the customers. So this is one of the key success factors. In addition to adopting the appropriate technology of power saving feature on the injection molding machines, we are also catching up with the latest trends of offering the customers with the solution like two color or two material injection molding machines. I am proudly can say that we have got one of the awards from the government of India for developing that machine as a solution to the counterfeit, to overcome the counterfeit issue. And then we received the award from the government of India in 2020. So this is one aspect of it. Another aspect of it is on the using the recycled material as a sandwich application. So that means in the processing, the recycled material is used as a sandwich between the two virgin material. This is another application. Then LSR, liquid silicon rubber, that application. And in addition to that, we also brought in all-electric injection molding machine, as I just mentioned before. So that gives much higher power consumption and higher productivity in especially the fast cycle application of a packaging application. So these are the ways we gear up in serving the needs of the customer. In addition, we also have a full-fledged demo center, technical center, where we can display these kind of solutions to the customers, and they can see and witness its operation and choose the appropriate product.
Significant contribution to manufacturing sector growth in the country. Can you share more about how Shibaura helped to build the nation?
The product what we offered, if you say, as you say, hydraulic injection molding machine, it has traveled from different technologies. So initially it was well known when we say a fixed pump concept. That was how it started with. Later on that got converted into variable machine concept, and now it has migrated from variable concept to the servo concept. So graduating from and adopting the various technology, we are able to bringing the appropriate technology which is helping our customers in terms of reducing the cost of running cost, power consumptions, higher productivity, of course a higher accuracy of moldings. And now in the latestly, not only that, it is just injection molding machine, of hydraulic injection molding machine, also all electric machine also we are able to build up out here.
Shibaura and Mobil have been partners for more than 2 decades now.
Of course.
So what made you to choose Mobil as your partner?
I can recollect what has happened in those days when we started introducing the hydraulic injection molding machine of that time it was a demand technology in India. We just offered the machine and with the local oils available, and we had tremendous problems of the hydraulic elements. So we are having a discussion with the hydraulic component suppliers, but finally we ended up with the quality of oil. So that time what was came to our mind was the ExxonMobil, and they offered the solutions. We worked with them. Of course, it is a premium product. It took time to convince the customers, but over a period, it proved the results of the healthy performance of the machine with the good performance of components of hydraulic elements as well as the uptime of the machine. So that way, ExxonMobil, thanks to ExxonMobil for supporting us.
How does your collaboration with Mobil align with Shibaura's values?
To start with customer focus. So when customer is in trouble, give the solution and work with him so that he also benefited and we also benefited as a win-win solution. So that way the customer focus. And second followed by the quality and service. Of course, now needless to say the global brand image.
We share many common values. How does this partnership benefited our mutual customers?
See, it is not, these are all more or less capital goods where we just give a product and then we cannot forget. We have to continue with the customer on service front of it. So here, ExxonMobil also played a very vital role along with us in working with the customers, maybe monitoring the performance of the machine over a period of 6 months or 1 year, probably like taking the oil for a sample and then giving the quality of the oil, the inputs. So whether the oil needs to be changed or something modification has to be done. So these kind of services ExxonMobil gave us, and then which has helped us in retaining the customers and getting appreciation from the customers through repeat orders and so on.
One last question. If you had to fill in the blank, fill with Mobil means dash. What would be your response to that?
Global brand image, quality and technology.